guys, this is Yolanda from Gospel Boat. Today I will introduce a boat, Professor 6.2 meters with white color. Very simple, easy professional model, very suitable for if you are a new fisher. It's very easily for driving and very suitable for family use with your friends, with your colleagues. When you want to fish in the ocean, choose this boat will be very suitable. Okay, let's go inside to check it. Okay, from the back side we can see the transom for install engine, EV-ATIC floor, and the fish tank. Down below is a battery tank, is fold down chair, aluminum plate, and the driver seat, navigation seat. So rest place for you can sleep there. Okay. It's totally enough. You can sleep adult like 1.7 meters is totally enough. As me is totally enough, can sleep there. Rod holder, cup holder, plate. Here is rails. Here will be our ladder. From the whole size we can see it will be like this. Very light color and very smaller, faster fishing boat. Bring your friends, your families, go to the ocean, fishing or swimming, all very suitable. Here have a sky window. Okay, so we can see this boat will be like this. Smaller size, easy one, simple fishing boat, but very like high quality, and for the girls or for boys when you want to drive in the ocean, very suitable too. Can hold like 3 or 5 persons will be more suitable. Maximum can hold 6 people. Suggest you can install 115 motors in there. Okay, so if you like this boat, message me. I can send our detailed quotes and detailed videos, pictures to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.